Let's start Ondsel. This video is not sponsored. The tools look the same because it's built upon FreeCAD. You can also switch between workbenches. Let's create a sketch. Select a plane and draw a rectangle. You can enter the dimensions directly, which is great. These constraints will be added automatically. Let's make it symmetrical. This works the same as in FreeCAD. Add all dimensions directly to this line. It's a distance and an angle. It's a great feature which speeds up workflow. Let's draw an arc with angle. You can also draw without dimensions. Just don't enter the numbers then. But why should you? The dimension tool can be used for all. It can add constraints to lines, but also to arcs and circles. Click any geometry and start dimensioning. Let's remove these sketches. And exit the sketch. Use the pad feature like you do in FreeCAD. This is just the same. Rotating also works the same. Here's another cool feature. You can make menus transparent in one click. There's also a built-in assembly workbench. It has only these buttons. Arrange any toolbar as you want, like FreeCAD. Click Edit and then select Preferences. You can choose to create a document at Startup, or disable the grid in sketch mode. And of course there are many other options. Setting navigation to gesture is a tip. Let's open a colored model. The lighting looks very nice. Also, the background gradient looks natural. I definitely will use Ondsel more in the future. It looks very promising. This is their website. Ondsel is an engineering suite running on FreeCAD. Pricing is about using an online vault. The 3D CAD design suite is free to use. Ondsel is an open core company funded by Open Core Ventures. Open Core Ventures is a venture capital firm that starts commercial open source software companies. Also check out my other channel for all my 3D printing projects and tutorials. And have a look at my website where everything comes together. Thanks for watching. Also check out my other videos and channels.